Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely low mileage Nissan Qashqai. This is a 2019 on a 19 plate, finished in grey metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. We've got lovely bright silver detailing on the window surrounds. We're riding on these lovely sparkle silver 5-spoke alloy wheels. Those are 17-inch, which are in fantastic order and riding on really nice tyres. Looking down the side of the car, looking at the bodywork, the paintwork, it is a very tidy car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Rear parking sensors and reversing camera on this one. Reversing camera's just up there. Split folding rear seats. We've got the loading dividers as well. That's a nice thing to have. Down there is your tyre inflation kit. Looking down the passenger side, that's all in nice order as well. All four wheels, nice condition, and then inside you get a lovely charcoal grey cloth interior. Looks superb, very nice and supportive bolsters as well. So looking at the seat base, looking at the actual bolster there, that's all in very nice order. It's not been smoked in, it's not had any sort of pets. Back seats look like they've barely been sat in. You've got a central armrest there, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, and Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. We've got 4 electric windows, we've got electric mirrors, we've got park folding mirrors. Vehicle is supplied with both keys. Then inside we've got this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So on here, cruise control and speed limiter. We've got our volume and media controls, voice command, Bluetooth phone, that's all found up on there. We've got automatic wipers, automatic lights, lane departure warning, auto stop start, everything that you'd expect from a vehicle of this calibre. Now, as we're doing the video today, the vehicle's only covered 22,250 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got satellite navigation, we've got reversing camera, we've got Bluetooth phone, and we've also got, clicking through to audio, full DAB radio, so all the extended channels. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Auto hold, electric parking brake, 6-speed manual transmission on this one. Auto dimming rear view mirror. We've got a nice next base camera here as well. Central armrest with your aux and USB within there. Nice service history, so looking at the books, everything which was supplied with the car from new is still with the car there today. So, if you'd like any further information on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.